how one can not interfere or control the natural problem of mind or body. So if you have some problem in the body, you can attend. You can go to a physician and try to set it right. But we need not try to do anything related to the mind. So the psychological problem will be solved on its own. You need not solve. You need not try to solve it. So if you try to solve it, you complicate the problem. For example, you are in a dream. You have a dream in the night. And in the dream, you are there. You are a character of the dream. And in the dream, you saw several persons. You may saw your friends, you may saw your unwanted person, you may saw some unwanted situation. Many things may be there. Among all those things, you are also there. You have a place for yourself in the dream. So you are a character. Can you, as a character in the dream, can you change the dream? Can you change the course of the dream? So you are along with the dream. So in this way, in the day, in the waking hours also, our mind is working. In the mind, the me, the I am, is a part of the mind. So just like the me in the dream, we are in the waking hours also, the me is a part of the functioning of our mind. But the me is trying to having a control over the entire course of the mind. So it is impossible. So we have to understand the me is a part of the total functioning of the mind. So you have to go along with the mind. You should not try to control the mind because the me is very little part. The little part try to contain the whole. Can a bubble contain the total ocean? It is not possible. So whenever it loses its effort not to do anything within the mind, it becomes one with the mind. So it flows with the mind. So here, for example, if some apple is there, the apple is whole. It is not divided. It is whole. So if you put the apple, if you place the apple and put down the apple very freely and slowly it will flow. But if you cut the apple into two parts and place the apple here, it will not flow. It will be stay wherever it be there. So in this way, whenever you divide your mind into the me and the mind, so it will be stuck. So whenever you do not divide yourself and you are hold some personality as if yourself within the portion of the mind, then you are divide yourself within the mind. So you divide the mind into two parts. The one part is in contradiction with the other part. So that is a problem. So if you do not try to do anything within the mind becomes total mind. When the mind is very total, it is very easily flowing. So that is the nature of the liberated state. The liberated state, the liberated person will not struggle against himself.